Let me tell you something you probably didn't know about turmeric. Yes, it's famous for being a natural antioxidant, rich in vitamins A, B, and C. And yes, it supports your heart and helps lower cholesterol. But few people talk about what's truly amazing. Turmeric can slow down aging. Seriously. Now here's how. Inside every cell in your body, there are energy sensors. When the body is overloaded with mucus or metabolic waste, these sensors get blocked. That means your cells stop sensing energy shortages. And that's a problem. Why? Because energy shortage is what triggers a powerful enzyme called AMPK, adenosine monophosphate activated protein kinase. When AMPK kicks in, it activates autophagy, the process your body uses to clean up damaged cells, toxins, viruses, and even old cell parts. Think of it like your body's self-cleaning mode. And guess what? Autophagy slows aging. But here's the catch. If your system is full of stagnation, especially mucus, these cellular mechanisms don't work properly. Turmeric, especially in traditional Tibetan medicine, is known for its warming and cleansing nature. It breaks down mucus, stimulates blood and lymph flow, and gets those systems back online, which helps reactivate AMPK and keep your body youthful. Now, how do you take it? Traditionally, people mix a heaping teaspoon of turmeric powder with a pinch of black pepper and warm water, once or twice a day. Why black pepper? Because it contains piperine, which boosts the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Without it, your body barely absorbs turmeric at all. But be careful. Turmeric isn't recommended if you have a stomach ulcer or take blood thinners. So yes, turmeric is powerful, but only if your body is ready to receive it. Clean the stagnation first, and let turmeric do its magic. Keep exploring and take care of your health. Hair.